Vanakkam. This is a series of video in which you are learning the foundation course in mathematics, and this is our second video in version 2.0 in the topic of indices. This video lesson is presented for you by Vidhyalakshmi Senior Secondary School, Vellore, and in each and every video session we are solving 5 numerical problems in the topic that which we are studying. And by the same way, in this video lesson also, we are going to solve 5 numerical problems in the topic of indices. Now, let us start our video lesson with our first question. Yes, let us go into the video now with our first question. Yes, this is our first question. What is the value of, here it is given that 0.000001 the whole power 1 by 3 it is given. So, let me take the question first. 0.000001 the whole power 1 by 3 we are having. Okay. Now, I notice here that the decimal point here I can see that before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, before 6 digits it is we are having the decimal point. Okay. So, this decimal point is we are having before the 6 digits. Okay. So, that's why I wanted to write this in the form of standard form. It is called as standard form, or otherwise it is called as scientific notation. So, in scientific notation we can write like 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 6. Because of that, the decimal point is before 6 digits. We are writing in this form of 10 power minus 6. Okay, 1 multiplied by 10 power minus 6. The whole raised to 1 by 3. The whole raised to 1 by 3. And you all know that 1 multiplied by anything will give the same thing. That is, you will be having 10 power minus 6 multiplied by that is the whole raised to 1 by 3. Whole raised to 1 by 3. Now, now we can apply the power of exponent rule, so that what it will become 10 to the power of minus 6 multiplied by 1 by 3 you will be having. This 1 by 3 will be multiplied, and here we can make one cancellation, 3 one time and here 2 time it will get cancelled, and what is the remaining part we are having is 10 to the power of minus 2 we are having. So, by the rule of negative exponent, what we can write, we can express this 10 power minus 2 in the form of 1 by 10 to the power of plus 2. Yes, 1 by 10 to the power of 2 is 1 by 10 multiplied by 10, and which is nothing but 1 by 100. So, 1 by 100 is the answer for this question, and yes, obviously the option is C. The option C is the correct answer for this question. Yes, okay. Now, let us move to the second question. Yes, we are having here the second question. What is the value of m? It is asked. So, we have to find the value of m. The value of m we have to find from the given equation. An equation is given here. Let me take the equation first. P divided by q the whole raised to 2m plus 2 is equal to q divided by p the whole raised to 9 minus m. So, this is the given equation. I have taken this. When I observe this equation, I can see that here we are having p by q as base, and in the right side we are having q by p. That is the reciprocal we are having here. The bases are not equal on both sides. As because of that the bases are not equal, we cannot able to compare the powers. We cannot compare the indices. Okay. So, first work is that we have to make the bases to be same on both sides. So, for that what I am going to do, see, this p by q, I just keep it same, the whole power 2m plus 2. Okay. And in the right side you can see that q by p in turn I can write p by q, but the exponent what we are having is 9 minus m will have its opposite sign. That is, it will become minus 9 plus m. Do you understand? Do you get the point? See, this q by p, I am making it into reciprocal. That is, I am writing it in the form of p by q. So, because of that, I am changing the sign in the exponent. That is, this 9 I am taking as minus 9 and minus m becomes plus m, and it is actually from the what? From the rule of exponent, negative exponent. Okay. Okay, fine. Now you can see that both the sides we are having the same base. Here also p by q and here also p by q. So that what I can do, I can now compare the exponents on both sides. So the exponents we are having is 2m plus 2. So 2m plus 2 can be equated with minus 9 plus m. Am I right? Now this m I am going to take to left side, because of that I want to find the value of m. So 2m minus m is equal to minus 9. This 2 will go to right side as minus 2. And what is the result that we are getting? 2m minus m is m. So m is equal to minus 9 minus 2 is minus 11. So minus 11 is the value of m for this question. And minus 11, yes, option D, we are having minus 11. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Yes, let us move to the next question. Third question, you can see that what is the value of 2 power 2 into minus 2? Very simple question actually. This is going to be a very simple question. So you can see that 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by minus 2 is given. Okay. So you can see that 2 to the power of 2 2s are 4, we are having minus 4. 2 raised to minus 4. By the rule of negative exponent, we can express this in the form of 1 by 2 power 4. 2 power 4, 2 multiplied 4 times, so that you will be getting 1 by 16. Am I right? 1 by 16. And 1 by 16 is the answer for this question, and it is actually getting matched with option D. Okay. Now let us move to the next question, question number 4. Yes, now you can all see the fourth question over the screen, but this question is actually a lengthy problem. But don't worry about that. If you apply a trick, we can able to solve this question very much in a very much easier way. So just observe the way that I am going to solve this problem. Okay, I am going to take the question without any mistake. Just you can see that 1 divided by, we are having 1 plus x to the power of b minus a plus x to the power of c minus a. Okay, followed by the second term 1 by 1 plus x to the power of a minus b plus x to the power of c minus b. Okay. Now the third term we are having is plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power of b minus c plus x to the power of a minus c. Yes, it's very important to take down the question without any mistake. Okay. After taking down the question, what I want to do, I just want to express the given expression in a modified way. What is that modified way? You just listen to the screen. 1 by 1 plus this x power b minus a we are having here, no? This 1 by, that is x power b minus a, we can write like x power b divided by x power a. Why divided by x power a? We are having here negative for a, that is we are having minus a there. So by the rule of negative exponent, we can express this in the form of x to the power of a in the denominator in division. Okay. So by the same way, what we can write here, x to the power of c by x to the power of a. The second part, 1 by 1 plus x to the power of a by x to the power of b plus x to the power of c by x to the power of b. And the third part, we are having 1 by 1 plus x to the power of b by x to the power of c plus x to the power of a by x to the power of c. Okay. After doing this, what I want to do, I want to take the LCM, this x power a as common denominator. So what I will be having here, I need to multiply this by x power a. So x power a, already here x power b, and here x power c. So x power a plus b plus c we are getting. That is x power a plus x power b plus x power c we are getting. The whole divided by x power a. By the same way, here also we will be taking the common denominator x to the power of b. So what you will have here, x power b you will be having, but already here x power a. So in an order I want to write this as like x power a plus x power b plus x power c. Okay, so that's it. And in the last part, 1 divided by the common denominator we are having is x power c. So what I will be having here, x power c will be multiplied. So when x power c is multiplied here, I can write this whole in an order like from x power a, x power b plus x power b, and here you are having what? X power c. So plus x power c. So this is the third part. Now I will be making the reciprocal. So when I make the reciprocal, what I will be getting? I will be getting x to the power of a in the numerator, and in the denominator x to the power of a plus x to the power of b plus x to the power of c. But I can tell you that you will be having x power b here as numerator, and in the denominator the same x power a plus x power b plus x power c, and here also the denominator x power a plus x power b plus x power c, but in the numerator x power c we will be having. Okay, so altogether I will be having the common denominator x power a plus x power b plus x power c. So the numerator part I am going to add all together because the denominators are same. So x power a plus x power b plus x power c I will be having, that is by adding the numerators. So also here I can make cancellation. So after making cancellation, the answer we are getting is 1, and it is actually option B. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Okay, fine. Now let us move to the last question of this session. Yes, fifth question we are having here. 243 the whole raised to n by 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2n minus 1 the whole divided by 9 power n multiplied by 3 power n minus 1. When I look at the question, I can have an idea that all the bases that we are having are the multiples of 3 or having the factors 3. Okay. So what is my first step? I want to express all the, see 243 is actually a factor of 3. Sorry, it is a multiple of 3. So by the same way 9 is also multiple of 3. So I want to express this whole expression in the form of this 243 is nothing but 3 to the power of 5. When you multiply 3 5 times, you will be having 243. So 3 to the power of 5 the whole power n by 5 we will be having, and here already 3 is the base. So 3 power 2n minus 1, no disturbance with that. So I just keep it same, and 9 we can write like 3 square the whole power n. So already here n, no, so that n we have to carry, multiplied by 3 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, now you can see that all the bases are having 3. Okay, but I need to go for some more simplification here. Because of that, here I can apply the power of exponent rule. This 5 and n by 5 will be multiplied, and when I multiply those two, 5's will be cancelled, and what is the remaining part I will be having? The remaining part I will be having is 3 to the power of n. Yes, 3 to the power of n multiplied by 3 to the power of 2n minus 1 the whole divided by 3 to the power of this, when you multiply, that is when you apply the power of the exponent rule, this 2 and n will be multiplied. So you will be getting 2n multiplied by 3 to the power of n minus 1. Clear? Okay. Now in the next step, what I am going to do, all are having the same base. So 3 is the common base I am going to take. So the powers here I am going to add in the numerator, and I am going to subtract the powers of the denominator. Okay. So I will be having n plus 2n minus 1 minus 1 followed by this 2n need to be subtracted, minus 2n, because of that it is in denominator. This n minus 1 has to be subtracted. So, when we subtract this n minus 1, what it will become? Minus n plus 1 it will become, okay. Now, you can see that 3 to the power of, here also I can make one cancellation. This plus 2n and this minus 2n will be get cancelled, and also this minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled, okay. Then, what is the remaining part I am having here? Yes, you can see that n and this minus n. Yes, n and minus n we are having. So, n minus n, it is 0. Anything power 0, you will be having what? 1. The rule for 0 exponent, it says 1, and it is option A, getting matched with option A. Clear? Okay. Now, at last, by the end of this session, I want to tell you that please like our video and share with your friends for them to be benefited, and also comment over the video. Please make use of the assignment and the class notes given in the description area. And thanks for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye. See you in the next video.